Hey everyone, we will make some more interesting crafts. Here we will make a cute piggy using a dough. Cut it like this and then make its mouth. Now press it like this to make its nose. Now after that make the holes. Now we will make its back and the ears like this. Make its eyes. Put the black balls like this. Make the lines on it. Make its tongue using the red clay. Make its legs. Now make a cute tail on its back. Give the line on its legs like this. Make a tail. Put the lines and your piggy is ready. Next, we will make a cute toy using the clay. Fold it like this and press it. Now make its ears by pressing it. Put the lines by using a toothpick. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Put the lines on its legs using a fork and it's ready. Next, we will make a snake. Take a dough and roll it like this. Now make the lines on its back using a thin stick like this. You can use toothpicks. Now press it from the sides, make its eyes and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more interesting crafts. Here we'll be making 2 to 3 snakes together or by a different technique. So here we will be pressing the lines like this from the sides using the fork. Now join them like this. Make its legs carefully. Now make its ears, eyes like this. Make its nose, tongue and it's ready. Next, we will take a dough and make 2 hens together like this. So cut it from the sides, make its eyes, make its tail like this using a fork, press it to make the lines. Now pinch it from the front to make its mouth, stick its eyes, make a crown on its top using a red clay, make its mouth and your hens are ready. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a shape from the sides using a scissor. Cut it carefully and it will be done. Next, we'll be making a cute piggy face using the dough. So roll it like this and give it a shape using the hands. Now pinch it from the sides like this. Now cut it using a scissor. Make its nose. Now we will make its eyes. Cut its ears from the sides like this. Make its eyes by making the hole. Make the tongue like this. And it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.